Well, with just about 3 weeks to go for the Delhi elections, several old friction points are flaring. The latest battle is over one of the bulwarks of the Aam Aadmi Party's much touted governance model, the health facilities, and it is squaring off against both the centre as well as the BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party government has told the High Court that centre's Ayushman Yojana isn't the best for Delhi, as it ends up depriving several citizens of benefits that they can avail under the state health schemes. Times Now has accessed the details of the counter affidavit that has been filed by the Aam Aadmi Party, where it calls the AB PMJ scheme unsuitable for Delhi. Now, before we tell you the reasons that have been listed by Team Kejriwal, here's a little backgrounder on the tussle which turned legal very recently. Now, last year in October, 7 BJP MPs had approached the court seeking directions to the Aam Aadmi Party government to implement the PMJAY, the centre's health insurance scheme, which offers annual coverage of up to 5 lakh per family. In their petition, the lawmakers had said that Delhi is the only union territory where the program has not been implemented, depriving the city's underprivileged citizens of the much-needed health insurance. Now, in the counter affidavit, the Aam Aadmi Party has drawn a comparison with its own scheme, the Delhi Arogya Kosh scheme, which it said is a much more robust scheme, and said that implementing the centre scheme will amount to downgrading the schemes that are already in place in Delhi. The Prime Minister had earlier attributed this very resistance to politics, while then Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal had rubbished it as a scam.
और कारण दिल्ली में जो सरकार है और पश्चिम बंगाल में जो सरकार है, वो इस आयुष्मान योजना से जुड़ नहीं रही है। अपने राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के लिए अपने ही राज्य के बीमार लोगों के साथ जुल्म करने की वृत्ति, ये प्रवृत्ति मानवता की दृष्टि से किसी भी तराजू पर खरी नहीं उतरती है।
आयुष्मान योजना में बहुत सारे घोटाले हैं। आयुष्मान योजना कहती है कि आप जब अस्पताल में भर्ती होगे तब आपको 5 लाख रुपए तक का इलाज होगा। दिल्ली के अंदर जो हमारी योजना है, वो योजना ये है कि आपको चाहे सर्दी हो, खांसी हो, ओपीडी में आप जाओ, चाहे भर्ती हो ना भर्ती हो, आपको आईपीडी, ओपीडी सबका सारा इलाज फ्री है दिल्ली के अंदर, सब कुछ फ्री है। तो फिर आयुष्मान योजना का दिल्ली के अंदर कोई मतलब नहीं रह जाता है।
So, what exactly are the arguments that have been put forth by the Aam Aadmi Party to claim that this policy is actually superior? Now, under the Ayushman Bharat, where households are covered or not depends on the socio-economic caste census. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party says that this data was collected in 2011, which is outdated and leaves most of the Delhiites out of its ambit, benefiting only about 12 to 15% of the population. So that's a claim that has been made. The capping of 5 lakh rupees per family is not enough for efficient treatment. Also, it is applicable only to those who are above 70 years of age. While on the other hand, the government hospitals in Delhi do not have any form of charges to be paid by any patient. That's what has been mentioned by one of the reasons. In fact, the Delhi government says that their Arogya Kosh scheme, which is already in place, is a much more robust policy in providing medical treatment, and that too free of cost to the citizens of Delhi. Now, in a dig at the BJP, the affidavit further says that since the substantial percentage of the people who are coming to Delhi for treatment are from the neighbouring states where the PMJAY is already implemented, it shows that the scheme actually suffers various deficiencies. Citing these, the Aam Aadmi Party has now requested the BJP MPs to instead take inspiration from their health scheme and make it applicable to the entire country. One has to see what happens in the next hearing, which is scheduled for the 11th of February. But let's now tell you the key reasons that have been mentioned by the Aam Aadmi Party, calling it a downgrade for Delhiites, saying that they already have a better scheme in place. Why would they opt for the centre scheme? So these are the reasons that have been cited for them, saying the scheme is based on a 2011 census, saying it is an archaic socio-economic data that dates back to 2011, so it may no longer hold good. The criteria also renders most of them ineligible. One of the other reasons that has been cited as well is that only 12% to 15% will actually benefit if these schemes are implemented, and saying that the total credit limit is just 5 lakhs. So the argument that the Aam Aadmi Party has made is that it's not enough to get any good treatment, and this is only applicable to those who are 70 years, and Delhi has its own scheme that actually gives free medical services. One more reason that has been cited by the party is that the Delhi government hospitals don't charge, and that the Arogya Kosh scheme, which is the Delhi government scheme, they say that it is more robust, and patients from states with the center's schemes in place also seek treatment in Delhi, and saying that this is a clear indication that the scheme has several deficiencies. My colleague Dipankar is joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Dipankar, take us through the battle that's playing out in court, because more than the legal battle, it's more important for what it means for the people of Delhi. Coming ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections is going to be very, very crucial. We just played out the reasons that have been given by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, yes, there is a battle that is going on in the Delhi High Court, where the 7 BJP MPs had approached the Delhi High Court and had sought that this PMJAY Yojana should be implemented in Delhi. However, recently the state government has filed a counter affidavit where they have stated that this PMJAY Yojana, the central health scheme, is not suitable to be implemented for people of Delhi, and it is a downgrade from what the schemes are available to the people of Delhi. The state government has implemented for the people of the Delhi. The counter affidavit that has been filed before the Delhi High Court also stated that the parameters that have been fixed based on the socio-economic caste census of 2011, these parameters limit the facilities given in the scheme only to 12 to 15% of the population of Delhi, and leave a lot of people out of its ambit. The Delhi government has also stated that this scheme is a necessary downgrade from the scheme that is available for the Delhi people, and that a much more robust scheme where free of cost treatment is given to the people of Delhi is available for the Delhi population. Over to you.
Okay, all right. Do stay on with us. We have more breaking updates coming in. It's the Times Now Newsbreak Impact. Setting the election agenda ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, the BJP gunning for the Aam Aadmi Party over the news break, saying it is Kejriwal who blocked the health scheme for the people of Delhi. The BJP mounting the pressure and attack on the Aam Aadmi Party, saying the Aam Aadmi Party is playing politics over health for Delhiites. Listen in.
कि जो आयुष्मान योजना ओडिशा की पिछली बीजेडी सरकार ने रोकी हुई थी, उसका कल एमओयू साइन हो गया, और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के प्रयास से हिंदुस्तान में अब 34 शहरों में ये आयुष्मान योजना लागू हो गई है। लाखों करोड़ों लोगों को इस योजना का लाभ मिल रहा है, लेकिन इस पूरे हिंदुस्तान में सिर्फ 2 राज्य ऐसे हैं, और उस दोनों राज्यों में एक समानता भी है। वो 2 राज्य हैं पश्चिम बंगाल और दिल्ली। एक दीदी और दूसरा भ्रष्टाचारी।
कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इस ऑर्डर के खिलाफ एसएलपी फाइल करी है केजरीवाल जी की आम आदमी पार्टी ने, और उस एसएलपी के सपोर्ट में जो हलफनामा है, जो एफिडेविट है, वो मंत्री ने स्वयं उस पर दस्तखत करा है। आमतौर पर जब भी सरकार कोई केस फाइल करती है तो कोई अधिकारी फाइल करता है हलफनामा, लेकिन ये बहुत स्पष्ट दिखाता है कि जन कल्याण की आयुष्मान भारत अभियान योजना को दिल्ली में अगर लागू करने की किसी की नीयत नहीं है तो माननीय अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, आम आदमी पार्टी और उन्हीं के मंत्रियों की एमओयू तैयार बैठा है। अगर आप साइन कर देंगे तो केंद्र सरकार से आपको 2406.77 करोड़ रुपया मिलेगा, यानी 2400 करोड़ रुपया मिलेगा दिल्ली में हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को और सुदृढ़ करने के लिए, कि अपने राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के लिए आप दिल्ली की जनता की बलि एक बार पुनः चढ़ा रहे हैं।
Well, this will snowball into a big war of words ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, and we're keeping a track of that. Quick break. We'll be right back.